Okay, so let's say that we want to change some aspects of a card. So here I have the deck that I downloaded for French, for studying French. So it has an English phrase, a French, has word type, and it has example in French and in English. Okay, so those are the fields. Okay. So we're going to go in and into the cards. And the nice thing about this is if I change this card, it changes all other cards of that type. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is, well, so for French, what would be a good color for French? Well, French are called the blues, I believe, in worldwide soccer. So if we change it to blue, and look at how it changes right away to blue. Okay, so that's kind of a nice thing. Okay, so you just go in and you change that middle card to blue. So this is what controls everything. Now, what if we want it to be a little bit bigger? So we can change the pixel size to, say, 24. Okay, now what about the font family? Okay, so we have Arial there, and if you're not sure, you can just go and look on the internet and just type in fonts or types of font. Okay. Now we don't know if everything will work, but let's see what we get. So for some font types. Okay, so here's images for types of fonts. That might be the best one for us. And so let's see if we can do one of these. And so I see here one that says Hercules. So I'll see if that works. Okay, so you can try any one you want. Let's try Hercules and see what happens. Hercules, see if we get a change. Didn't seem to do anything. Okay, so we had Ariel. We know that we can do, for example, courier. Okay, so we try courier. I don't see a change from that either, so not sure about that. Here's something I know we can do. We can change the background color, and we could change it to, say, pink. Okay, so there's some very French cards there. So we change that. The color text, the height of the text, and let's try one more. So let's try Tahoma. Okay, so we see that down here, so we're going to put that there. Oh, I see. So it could be that some of these are getting overridden here. Okay, so up here, the front template, we're going to change that to Arial. Okay, and you see that we change it there, and we could also change that up there to courier. Okay, so there's courier. So we're going to change it to courier up there. So this is a more complex card. For a lot of years, you'll just have your styling right in there. So give that a try. Change the font size, change the color of your text, color of the background. And so the reason why would you want to do this is when you have a bunch of different cards, so if you look at my decks, so I have a French deck, and then I might, so then for my German deck, maybe I'll change that one. So let's look at our German deck. Okay, so German deck, maybe I could put the background to be gold. Let's see if that works. Doesn't work. No gold. How about yellow? So that's not changing at all. So what if we do forward color of red? Okay, so we're able to change that. I'm not sure why the background color is not changing. Oh, I see, because the background color here is different. Okay, so that's overriding it. So now if we take that one out, you can see that we've got that. So green, not so good, so maybe we can change it to yellow. Yeah, okay, so we change that to yellow.